Hey guys, I'm John with Dyke Industries. Today we're here to talk about bifold doors, how to measure for a bifold door, then we'll also do an installation. So let's get right to it. I've got my tape measure here. So first off, always keep in mind that anytime you're measuring for a bifold door, we want you to measure the finish opening, not the rough opening. So in this case, we've got a finished cased opening. Sometimes you'll have a finished drywall opening, but regardless, we're looking for the finish opening measurement. So measure in 3 places, top, middle, and bottom, and take your smallest measurement. In this case, our smallest measurement is 30 inches in the width. Repeat the process for the height as well. Measure in 3 places. And our smallest measurement on the height is 81 inches. Now let's take a look at all of the hardware pieces that we've got that comes with the bifold door. First off, of course, we've got the door panels laying here. Then here we've got the track that gets mounted to the header. And then next here we've got the bottom jamb bracket. It sits in the corner of the jamb and against the flooring. And then this is the bottom pivot pin. It's knurled on the end here where it sits into this bracket. Right here we've got the top rear bracket, or top pivot as it's also called. This is the guide pivot at the top. This is the aligner, gets put on the back of the door. Now this only gets used if you've got, a 4-panel set going on. Will not be used in this instance. Then this is the snugger that gets put in at the top of the track. The knob that goes on the door. And then here are all the screws that you'll need to fasten all this hardware. Some manufacturers do it differently, so always play it safe and read the instructions. Okay, so now we're ready to insert the pivots into the top of the door. Now there's 2 pivots or 2 pieces that go into the top of the door. This is the main the pivot, and then this is the guide pivot that goes to the leading edge of the door. So just tap them in with a hammer, and these doors, by the way, will always be pre-drilled for these. You do not have to pre-drill these yourself. Next we'll do the bottom pivot. So after we've installed the pivots in the door, we'll go ahead and install the track. Put the track into the opening, center it on the jamb side to side. And then pre-drill your holes. Put the first screw in, but don't pull it completely tight. And then go to the other end and get that screw started. And come back over here and pull this one tight. Once you've got the 2 ends secured, simply pre-drill your holes in the middle and install those screws. So next we're going to install the jamb bracket. Now remember that we installed the track up top in the center of the jamb. So likewise down here, you need to make sure that this bracket goes center of the jamb as well. Now that you've got it centered, go ahead and pre-drill. There's 2 short screws that go into the jamb, and 1 longer screw that goes into the floor. Next, we're ready to put the bifold doors into the track, into the opening. So grab your door, and the top always goes in first. The top pivot pin goes into the back here. Then the guide pivot simply goes up into the track as well. But the top does need to go in first. So put the top pivots in, then swing your door in until you engage the bottom pivot, and that sits right into that jamb bracket. That can then be adjusted later, back and forth. Check to see if it opens and closes properly. In this case, it's hitting the jamb up front here. So we'll need to move this back just a little bit. So on this bottom pivot, if you need to adjust the height, this is where you do it. Simply lift the door out of the jamb bracket. Then this threads in and out, this pin here. Adjust it to wherever you need it. And then set it back into the jamb bracket. Next, we'll need to install the snugger on the leading door side, all the way over here on the end. Install it into the track. It just snaps up in there. And once you've installed your doorknob at the desired location, that's it on the door install for the bifolds. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
For additional resources and planning tools, be sure to check out the Dyke Edge Door Configurator at dykedoors.com.